Good morning, Cheetahs. Welcome to the South Greenville Cheetah Squad. This is Mrs. Tedder with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, March 9th, 2016. Again, today is Wednesday, March 9th, 2016. Today is our 122nd day in school. We've been in school for 122 days. Please stand while we say the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart and recite the pledge with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thanks, Cheetahs. You may be seated. After you've made it to your seat, we're going to pause for a moment of silence. All right, teachers, now it's time for a uniform check. Boys' shirts need to be tucked in at all times. Shirt colors are white, navy blue, black, gold, or yellow. Pants, shorts, and skirts should be khaki, black, or navy blue. Shoes should be tied at all times. No coats or hoodies are allowed in the building unless you have a uniform-approved sweater or jacket, which has no hoodie and no logo. At this time, we're going to review our South Greenville Elementary expectations for PBIS. Number 1, repeat after me. I will be prepared. Number 2, I will always be respectful. Number 3, I will work hard. And number 4, I will be safe. Remember, these are our pause expectations, and you are expected to meet these daily. Alright, Cheetahs that ride the bus, we now want to introduce you to Positive Passengers for Pizza. This is something new for PBIS. So, what happens is, pizza will be given to every rider on the bus that can go for 1 month without a write-up. So the whole bus has to go for 1 month without a write-up. The bus will earn a pizza slice for each week on the pizza in the hallway until the pizza is complete. We're going to start on Monday, and as soon as the pizza is complete, that bus will earn pizza. So start making that positive behavior on those buses so your bus can be the positive passengers for the month. And now we need to give a huge congratulations to our Science Olympiad team for winning first place at the overall level for our 2016 Pitt County Schools elementary competition this past Saturday at J.H. Rose High School. They brought home the first place trophy. You can see the picture, most of our students pictured here. The team consisted of 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. The 3rd graders on the team were Yasir Jones, Braxton Key, Alicia Staten, and Jalen Severato. The 4th graders were Makai Braithwaite, Akira McCasling, Kijana Rasco, Carmen Patterson, Kamaya Whitfield, Sarah Ingalls, Tanner Bass, Brooke Sam Bass, Dejanay Holden, and Brianna White. Our 5th grade teammates were Kaylee Gaskins, Abby Griffin, Kanaja Lacey, Sarah Cavanis, Cecilia Batten, Katie Mack Wilson, Amelia Taft, Mabina Barbario, Emmy Ingalls, Kanaya Cherry Douglas, Tramal Ellis, and Avante Daniels. And a big thank you to Mrs. Gleckler, Mrs. Dennison, Mrs. Harrison, Miss Aldridge, and Carmen's dad, Mr. Patterson, for all the help that they did for helping us make an awesome team. So, those of you that like science or are just a little bit curious about science, make sure that you join the Science Olympiad team so that you can be a champ next year. And when you see these people in the hallway, make sure you give them a huge congratulations because this was super hard work. Way to go, Science Olympiad team. Yay! Last month's Green Cheetah Paw winners were Kindergarten Fields, 1st grade Brady, 2nd grade, white. 3rd grade, pigeon. 4th grade, facade. And 5th grade, beeman. Congratulations, classes, and maybe next month your class will be a winner. Good morning. Time for the Cheetah Morning Review. Teachers, don't forget that your questions should be submitted by tomorrow into the Google document. Kindergarten, I know you had some trouble submitting your questions this week, so please this week try to get your questions submitted. Then I think we'll have everybody in there this time. For Wednesday, March 9th for math. For 1st grade, Sam has 5 pencils. John gave him 3 more. How many pencils does Sam have now? For 2nd grade, what is matter? I think they meant that as a science question, but you can still answer it in math. For 3rd grade, what are the steps to round 474 to the nearest tens and to the nearest hundreds? So don't just round it. Tell us the steps of how to round it. For 4th grade, Raleigh, North Carolina reported a total of 47 orioles in the Great Backyard Bird Count. Greenville reported 23 times as many orioles. How many orioles were reported in Greenville? For 5th grade, is a rectangle a square? Explain why. For ELA for Wednesday, March 9th. 1st grade, what are some text features in a nonfiction text and how do we use them? 2nd grade, what is a dictionary used for? 3rd grade, what is an antonym? What is an antonym for describe? 4th grade, this feature usually illustrates the text for the reader. And 5th grade, what are transitional words you can use when writing? For science for Wednesday, March 9th, how does the sun affect the earth? For 2nd grade, what is the pitch of a sound? For 3rd grade, what are the properties of solids, liquids, and gases? For 4th grade, what is an owl pellet? For 5th grade, what kind of weather does a cirrus cloud bring?